Hello, future makers. Classroom management is less about tips and tricks and more about how we relate, speak, encourage, nurture, and care. On a regular basis, most of the comments and my DMs on Instagram are filled with messages regarding tips for classroom management. Let me tell you, there could be a variety of reasons why your students are not listening to you. And for each situation, there's a different solution. So in today's video, we are going to discuss the most problematic situations and the exact solution that will help you to come out and get your students listening to you. Today's video is the exact guide that we teachers need to manage our classroom. And there could also be something special that we want to share with you in the video. So make sure you watch the video till the end. And now without wasting any more time, let's get started. The first situation is where we are teaching and in the middle of our class, the students are suddenly not paying attention. They're busy talking to each other, they're sharpening their pencils and whatnot. At this point, I use a technique called eyeball check. The moment I say eyeball check, all the students have to put their goggles on and start looking around for who is talking. I also usually wait until everybody in the class has stopped what they are doing and have put on their goggles. Once I have all their attention, I remove my goggles and then start teaching again. Do try this technique in your class, especially if you're a primary teacher. This works wonders. Another problem that we face as teachers is that kids are listening to us, but they are making silly mistakes or they are not paying attention to the minute details which are in the question. In such a situation, I play this game to activate their brain. In this game, you just have to point out two fists in the front. And now you have to take out the little finger of one hand and thumb of the other. And then you keep on switching like this. This will activate the brain of your kids and they will have to start paying attention to their own movements if they want to be in the game. Some students will be great at this game and some students will really struggle to do so. As a teacher, you need to balance this out and be that focal point that the students need to focus on. And after this brain gym exercise, you yourself will realize how much the students' attention and concentration has changed while studying. If you like this exercise, don't forget to hit that like button. You know what? With time, I've also realized that classroom mismanagement is not only the problem with students, it could be with us teachers as well. Sometimes we teachers find it really challenging to keep up with the evolution in teaching methodologies. There is a constant pressure to stay updated with new things coming up in the education field. It can also be overwhelming to keep up with tools, curriculum changes, and so much more. If you are one of those teachers too, you do not have to worry because we have the perfect solution for this problem. Galaxy Empowered by Samsung is designed to empower you with the latest teaching tools and strategies. Free training sessions, learning materials, and a community with like-minded teachers is what Galaxy Empowered by Samsung offers. They are also hosting their first ever educator exclusive event on 11th February in Delhi. The event will also have thought-provoking leaders, educationists, and cohort-based discussions. I myself am looking forward to the updates on this event. And if you also want to upskill and elevate your teaching journey, join this community right now. Just click on the link in the description box to register. As a teacher, one thing that I used to really dislike is taking a lecture right after the lunch break. Students are so disturbed and it takes so much time for the students to settle in their own seats and start studying again. To solve this issue, I came up with an activity called Match Me. In this activity, I just say match me and I do any fun pose and the kids just have to copy me. It could be this, it could be this, it could be this, or it could be this. The kids really enjoy these poses as well as the game. So the next time you get your lecture right after recess, try this and let me know how much of a difference did this make. You know that time when the kids are really physically active, whether they are dancing for the annual function or for any celebration that is coming up, or they are just back in class after their games period. In such situations, getting their mind and body back to the classroom and to learning becomes a problem. So how I like to handle this situation is to play with their tonality and expressions. Here, I just have to say class, class, and they will reply with yes, miss. But I keep on changing my tonality and they have to listen to me so that they can reply me back. For example, class, class.
Yes, miss.
Class, class.
Yes, miss.
Class, class.
Yes, miss.
Class, class. This is really fun because the students feel that we are playing games with them, but actually what we're trying to do is making them listen to what the teacher is saying and getting their eyes and attention back to us. Have you ever tried any such thing in your class? Let us know in the comment section. In every class, there is that one child that is creating so much nuisance that it's disturbing to other people. If you also have any such child in your class, what we are supposed to do is make that child the mascot. Understand that he or she only needs attention. The moment you start giving attention to that child and he thinks that everybody's eyeballs are on me, automatically he will settle down. So what I usually do is I label that particular child as my favorite child. And as soon as I enter the class, I want my favorite student to sit right in front of me. And until that favorite child of mine sits right below my nose, I won't start teaching. ऑल्सो पढ़ाते पढ़ाते अगर मुझे कोई काम है जैसे डस्टर ले आना, नोटबुक स्टाफ रूम में रख के आना या पेपर्स बांटना, आई मेक श्योर दैट आई असाइन दिस ड्यूटी टू माई फेवरेट स्टूडेंट ओनली. मेरे ये सारे कामों में वो बच्चा इतना व्यस्त होता है कि वो भूल जाता है कि मुझे मस्ती करनी थी. That's how problem is solved. Another nightmare for us teachers is when we have to take the last period. Students are already exhausted, tired, and they can't wait to go home. उनका मूड ही नहीं होता है पढ़ने का. In such situations, you could do this easy, simple exercise to get their energy mode on. Students, show me your hands. Now try to wiggle your fingers. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Stop. Now when I say 1, 2, 3, you have to clap once. 1, 2, 3. Now rub your palms, rub, 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 rub. Create the energy, yes, and put it on your heart. Now breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now, I know that it's the last period and you all don't want to study, but I promise we will study for only 20 minutes and then I will give you homework and let you do what you want to do. But for that, you all also have to promise me to be with me in the class for the next 20 minutes without any disturbance. Do you all promise that?
Yes.
Very nice, lovely students. This is one deal that the students love because they feel that they don't have to study for longer duration. And that's how you create a win-win situation for yourself and for your students. So that's it for today's video. At the end, I would only like to tell you that happy teachers create happy classrooms. If you do any of the fun activities that we mentioned in today's video, I'm sure your classroom will be a happy one. If you like today's video, do hit the like button. Comment and tell us which of the situations that I mentioned in today's video have been faced by you before and how did you deal with them. Don't forget to check out the Samsung Galaxy Empowered. Link is given in the description box below and in the comment section. Share this video with your teacher friends and family and subscribe to Teacherpreneur and press that bell icon to be a part of our Future Makers family. See you soon.